Greetings, assalamu alaikum, voice from the Gambia, digital voice from Brikama, Sate Bakono. Right now, here is Brikama Daral. As this here representing red, white, blue, white, green for the Gambia today on Motherland. It's all about Tabaski in the Gambia 2026. So we are saying Tabaski Mubarak in advance to each and every viewer, right? So right now we are in Brikama. Here is the mouth of the Brikama Daral right now. So not the way that will lead you directly to Brikama, Nyambaya, and then straight to Fonyi, and that one will lead you to Farato, and then Busumbala, Yundum, straight up to the king city of the Gambia, which is Laman. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're going to show you the big rams right in the Gambia and the prices of it. So it started from 25,000, 35,000, 19,000, yeah, to 25,000. So let's go in. And then we just do a video. We will drop their number in the video in case if you want to talk to them live and direct, right? So cameraman Pabaji, follow the eye of the Gambia, and then we showcase Brikama, Daral, right, in case for all the people, the viewers in the surrounded villages of Brikama and also in your towns. So in case if you're closer to Brikama, you can simply buy it in Brikama and take it to your location or your direction straightforward. Yes, man. Assalamu alaikum, big bro. Big bro, I of the Gambia Murunda Thank you very much, bro. So all good. Yeah. We revisit again our Brikama Daral right now. Yeah. And then we've been doing videos now for 3 years, right? Yeah. And then you've been working with people all over the globe, and then also around the village when it comes to Tabaski rams, and even though Brikamankers who are out there. So what we're gonna do is we will turn up. We'll drop your number in the video in case somebody need it. And then, before we go further, I would love for you to intro yourself in the forecorner of the earth and then let us know more about Lucky Child, what Lucky Child impact Lucky Child doing in the Gambia, and when it comes to Tabaski in the Gambia. Can you tell us something?
So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, then whatever then you may be then in the globe. Yeah. And once again, I am very proud to see you. So happy again
to see you again.
Yeah, to see you again. Yeah. So as you know, then so Tabaski is approaching, and the rams are here. Yes. So we are ready to go.
Ready to go.
Yeah,
man. So can you tell us a little bit about Lucky Child? Since I visited you last year, like 3 years ago, up to today, how is your business going globally?
No, to be honest, with Lucky Child, then you are the best. Honestly, then the business is really then growing up.
It's growing fast.
Definitely, it's really growing fast, and nothing to complain. I thank God. Yeah.
So when it comes to Tabaski, I see a lot of people. Most of your customers are diasporas, and then most of them are not in here in the Gambia. How do you normally work with them when it comes to your service? When they buy it from you, do you do delivery service, or there are people who have to come for it?
No, mostly then I don't do delivery services. So normally then what I used to do then is some of them they don't have space at home, but then I after then buying the ram, I can just keep them here.
Okay.
So of course they may also buy the feeding and stuff like that. But apart from that, then so things are really going really very
smoothly. Thank you very much. Can you take us around and then show us the price? How much did your prices? Because I mentioned it in the video, like you started from 19,000 to 35,000 to 50K. And from here we're going to do a video for cattle,
sure.
Cows,
Sure,
So in case if you're in need of cow, in case for family members or you want to give it to people, you can contact him. So take us around.
So this is let's start here. And this is Aden the ram with for 23,000.
This one's for 23,000.
23,000
with negotiations.
With negotiations, of course. But not 23,000. Then is then so then the price. Normally then I started then with 25, 26,000. But I tell you then the basic price. Because then so then is 23,000. It is then so I sell them at this time. But you also have then another one over there.
You leaders there?
Yeah.
How much is this one? It's also
So they are all then yeah.
You know super one.
Yeah.
It's a home grow, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Not boost meat.
No.
Not boost. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
so when it comes to food, what do you normally give them? It is repast or groundnut waste?
Yeah, so I give them also then the wheat brown, the wheat brown, and also then this groundnut grasses. Yeah, so that's these are all then the price. The price for 19,000.
Yeah, 19. This one,
19,000. Yes.
all these ones, yeah.
Yeah.
Come.
All 19,000.
19K with negotiation, yeah.
Yeah.
Is it with negotiation?
Yeah. With negotiation for sure.
Negotiation,
For sure. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So all these ones are 19K.
Yeah. But okay, I want to be very clear that as soon as then Alia is the best.
As early as the best.
As Alia as the best because of then so now then so then these rams then we don't buy them in the Gambia. We bought them in Senegal. And now then as you know then the with the exchange rate with the franc CFA then is going more and more high. So that's the reason why. But when they come then a little bit then earlier, so they can have then a good price, of course. But if things are then getting very closer, then definitely it will be also then rising up.
Going feeding them,
yeah, sure.
Give them food and stuff like that. So as early as the best.
Yeah.
Yasan saying ole kidi da yasan nyatola.
Yeah.
So fanan kachano mandika hola. What do? Can we speak in mandika?
Yeah.
Speak to ears. Okay.
Nyindol den ya so den Sajol be
Alwule bang.
na Sajol leti.
Alwule ngala size jube nyindol jelati.
So nyindol den ya so den 27 le nyinika anin kachal.
27.
Anin kachal. So is my older than so akeda nyawo nyaranding nyomo sekeno. Nyomo
So this one?
It will be then the same price let
Yeah.
it will be the same price let
Okay.
Yeah.
Nyaka 20?
27 in kachal.
27 and with negotiation.
Yeah.
Sajol boy, vampire ka wulle.
Yes.
Yeah.
They have a belly full. That's why
Belly
they
full.
get lazy. They get lazy.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Rise up.
Yeah.
Kono le ba fale nyaaji we fa fam ko lo.
Yeah.
May ko ba contending. Wollem jël di.
Yeah. So you know then is 22 and kacha, but still then we can have then a better discount than with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the goats?
So the goat then so then is also very reasonable, but definitely I can give exactly then the exact price for them. But at the moment then so you can have them different
These are
prices.
home grows.
Yeah,
So about those one there, the one there.
No, those one then you can also have them then 16, 17,000 up to 18,000.
16, 17 to
Up to
18.
18,000.
Okay.
Yeah. So
And this is double for-
can we go a little bit forward there,
Okay.
please?
Wow. So it's all about Tabaski rams. Tabaski ram sales in Brikama. So this is the repast, yeah?
Yeah.
Groundnut or groundnut waste.
Yeah. We mix them.
So you said where you wanna lead us?
But how much why mango?
So these are how much?
No, to come this side.
Okay.
See. So as you see, 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah. So this is also then so some of them are the rams that are also then
Stop that vibes.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these ones are how much?
Yeah, so this then we ask for 25,000 and then so then negotiations.
Yeah.
And very flexible. Then when you come, we still can then negotiate it. Then so then the price. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
But
So
this
the
one then
cameraman
also
is
then less than that.
yes.
Yeah,
That.
yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
So the cameraman is saying like the time is up close.
Okay.
1 minute. So what will be your last and final message?
So I am just asking everybody then to come in time and then to come and support also then the business. It will be also then really so great. So you can link me then also then on WhatsApp, and also then I also have a QCell number.
Him live and direct, and then we will drop his number in the video, right? And then he's the best when it comes to ram sales and goats in
always
Brikama.
will look a child.
Eye of the Gambia, Gambia Timbo, you know.
Yes,
Straightforward. Call him, talk to him.
Yeah.
Forward.